Can you switch accounts on Discord mobile? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you may know, on desktop version of Discord, you have the option and you have the feature to switch between accounts just like any other social media app. However, as of the time of this recording, unfortunately, that feature does not yet exist on Discord, the mobile version, and the only option that you have if you want to switch between accounts is to log out of your current account and log in with the other account. And hopefully in the future, Discord will make the option to switch accounts available on mobile as well, just like other social medias. So that was it for this video. I hope that has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.